Hello students, today we solve the back exercise of the lesson reading C of unit 3, an open letter to the teacher with autism. Okay, look here, the first question, write the features that represent Louis' nature. Okay, here some option is given, which is the correct. We take the right option. Okay, he does not make mistake. This is wrong. He feels shy when he is with other students. This is wrong. He does not like strong lights. This is the correct. He loves to be alone. This is wrong. He is confused when he has talked to other. This is right. And he likes honest people. This is the correct option. He doesn't want people to look into his eyes. This is the wrong option. Okay, so look the second question, choose the correct option from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Here the first one is Louis doesn't like to miss his blank. The option is regular schedule, and second one is the social skill classes. So the correct answer will be regular schedule. The correct option is regular schedule. The second one, Louis likes the teacher speaking in blank, low or gentle voice. Gentle voice is the correct. Okay, Louis is distracted by blank, noises, cars. So here noises that are distracted to Louis. Okay, and the next one, Louis is sometimes blank, hurt or pleased by words. Here correct option is hurt. Okay, and the third question is indicate Louis' views on the following by putting a tick right in the appropriate box. So students, you do yourself. This is the homework for you. Okay, and the next, the question answers. What problem does Louis have? What problem does Louis have? The answer is here. Louis was suffering from mental disorder, that means autism. Louis was suffering from mental disorder, that is autism. Okay, the second, why does Louis need a break? Louis needs a break to work around. Louis need a break to work around. Okay, and the third one, does Louis appreciate praise without doing anything? Comment on this. Answer is no, Louis does not appreciate praise without doing anything. He understands the meaning of true and false. He wants to work hard to get the praise. And the next question is, why Louis want to go to social skill or speech classes? Answer is, Louis want to go to social skill or speech because he likes his regular routine and sitting in the classroom with other friends and learning from teachers. Okay, so the next question is, when did Louis feel scared? When did Louis feel scared? Answer is, when Louis was studying in preschool and Louis asked his teacher where is mother. Then that time his teacher replied that she was gone. Louis that time felt scared. So the next question is, why does Louis say the teacher is good? Answer is, Louis says his teacher is good because his teacher says him a gentle voice, hello. His teacher always tell him the truth and he likes to learn with his teacher in the class. And Louis likes when his teacher answer his questions very carefully. That's why his teacher is good. Okay, so the next question is here, the question number. Now appreciate the following sentence with while or when. The first one is he was talking on the phone when I arrived. Second one, she was cooking while I was finished my homework. And the third one, I washed the dishes while my daughter was sleeping. And the fourth one, we will go to lunch when you come to visit us. And the fifth, blank the was waiting for the bus while they was waiting for the bus. Okay, and he read the paper. And next, when the speech ended, he went to meet him. So students, here look, when we use when, while and when. In this sentence, both actions are short and are joined by when. Here look, the first example, it was remaining while I was watching TV while I was bathing, the bell rang. While she was talking, the dog was barking loudly. Okay, and here the some sentence where use the when word. Okay, look here, when, here is also when, here is also when, and here in while and while. Look the sentence, what is the difference of both? I get distracted when people move around, when. And the second one, when I was in preschool, I asked my teacher where my mom was. And number third, while I make a mistake now, you always say you have to try again. Okay, so here is while is used. Usually we use while when there are two long actions. Where are the two long actions? And when is usually we use when if one action is long and the other is short. Okay, so I hope you understood this difference between the while and when. So do practice and learn it properly. Okay, thank you.